the point P of 3, 8 is on the graph of y equals to b to the x power, where b is greater than 1. The corresponding point P prime on the graph of y positive 3 equals to b to the power x positive 1. Okay, here we have a point P on the graph of y equals to b to the x power, and we have to find the point corresponding to this one, that is P prime on the graph of this one. Actually, we have to consider this is a basic function, this is a transformed function. Okay, so in the basic function, let me consider the transform function over here. That is y positive 3 equals to b to the power x positive 1. Okay, I subtract 3 from both sides. So positive 3, negative 3 will cancel out. I get y equals to b to the power x positive 1, negative 3. So here I have solved for y because in the basic function, I just have y on the left side. So that's why I just keep only y on the left side in the given transformed function. Okay, so if I consider the basic function, that is y equals to b to the x power as y equals to f of x, then what do we get for this one in terms of f? So it's very simple. So if I have b to the x power, we write f of x. But here we have, instead of b to the x power, we have b to the power x positive 1. So we have to write f of x positive 1, and we have to write this negative 3 as it is. So this is a basic function, this is a transformed function. So when I compare this transformed function with the basic function, first I have to look at the stuff over here. 1 is added to x. So this 1 is added to x. So this stuff tells me horizontal translation of 1 unit to the left. Whenever some number is added to x, so it is an horizontal translation to the left. Since I have 1 over here, it is the horizontal translation 1 unit to the left. What if 1 is subtracted from x? This is also an horizontal translation, but this time it is to the right, that is 1 unit to the right. But here 1 is added to x, so this is an horizontal translation of 1 unit to the left. So the graph is shifted 1 unit to the left. And this negative 3 tells me the vertical translation of 3 units down. That is, the graph has to be shifted 3 units down. So there are two transformations. The horizontal translation is 1 unit to the left. Vertical translation is 3 units down. Okay, so since the graph is shifted horizontally 1 unit down, so I have to subtract 1 from the x coordinate in the given point. So to get the corresponding point for P, that is P prime, is, so we have to subtract 1 from the x coordinate because the graph is shifted 1 unit to the left. And since the graph is shifted 3 units down, we have to subtract 3 from the y coordinate. So 8 minus 3. So finally, the point P prime is 3 negative 1 is 2, 8 negative 3 is 5. So the correct answer choice for this question is option B.